welcome back to my channel and my new video. So guys, I think I have uploaded a video that I have bought this Camlin drawing pencils. So first I have the Apsara brand, and I think I should change brand and I should try another brands also. There are Faber-Castell, Stadler, Artline, Tombow, or many more brands in online shopping also, and in stationery shops also. So this Apsara is of 40 rupees, and this Camlin is also 40. It's 50, but it's also nice. So I'll just review this art pencils, the Camlin art pencil, drawing pencil that are for the artist. So I'll review how's my experience about this. I have used it in some of my drawings, so I'll also show you my drawing that I have used the Camlin pencils. So in this video I'll just review this Camlin pencil. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with it. So guys, first from starting period I have used this Apsara grade pencil. So now also I have that pencils is about little very much remaining. So I have used this pencil about 20-25 drawings. So it's very good, and by this we can also do realistic portraits. So I have done one recent artwork, the drawing of Wolverine. So I have uploaded the time lapse also of this drawing on my channel. You can get it here on iCard. If not, you can check it on my channel page or search also. You can or drawing of Wolverine. So in this I have used full in the face and neck part the Apsara pencils, and other is charcoal. So we'll not discuss about that. We'll discuss about this part. The graphite is of the Apsara brand. You can see. So it's very nice and realistic. So means my experience about Apsara is very nice, and you can also buy as you are if you are a beginner. So the first pencil you have to buy, I'll just recommend this Apsara brand. So this is very popular also. Many of artists are also using this pencil. So after this I think I should change some brand, some types of pencil. So I bought this Camlin pack drawing pencil. So in both of the pencil we got is HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. So in both we get this, but both brands make pencils of HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B, 9B, 10B, H, 2H, 4H, 6H. So these are all grades that we get in grade pencil. So both brands make this pencils, but in a pack they only give us HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. If you buy a single pencil, you can get also 3B, 5B, 9B and H or 2H. So for that you have to buy this pencil only single, like only one pencil of 2H, only one pencil of B. So like that. In pack we get HB 6 grades, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B. So with this Camlin pencils, I have drawn two drawings. So I'll show you. It's very realistic. So recent work of mine. This one is my recent work of Sonu Sood sir. So I have uploaded 2 videos on this only, and yesterday the last video I have told that there are some art competition. So in that one art competition I have submitted this artwork. the result is not announced yet, but I think I should win because it's very realistic, you can see, and I loved it very much. So this is one artwork that I have made with the Camlin brand, and the recent work of this dog portrait, it's very realistic, you can see. So in this also I have used fully Camlin pencil, so it's very dark, we can easily opt, so it's very nice also. But I have one query about this. The 4B of the Apsara brand also and the Camlin brand also is not better. Means it's work, but I think it's working less than the capacity. 4B should be dark than 2B, but I think the Apsara brand is similar to be like 2B. So Camlin is best than Apsara. Means Camlin 4B pencil is better than the Apsara brand. So in that Camlin is best. But other pencils are almost same. By layering we can easily opt the dark portion, and the same HB and 2B and 8B and 10B is also nice. In this dog mouth area I have used 10B, and nose and eyes also. In this hair, full hair are I think 10B pencil I have used, so it's very nice and realistic also. So both pencils are nice, but I think Camlin is best as compared to Apsara. In future I am using branded pencil I will use, so let's see what happened. And you can also buy this both pencil, Camlin and Apsara brand. So I am giving the link in the description box, you can also check it and buy it also. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video is helpful and informative. If it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And yeah, we'll meet in next video. That, thank you. Till that, happy sketching.